Hi guys, Jeff here from TaT. Just here to do our draw for the September draw for our members that have shared a solution, repair solution, or uploaded some good scope scan data. So again, thanks a lot for the many members that have joined up. 49 entries for September. That's 49 new repair solutions and or scope scan data that's been uploaded. Can't list them all, but a couple of the big highlights. Daniel Armour again, 4 lots of information. David Malone from the Auto Elec shop, 8 times, 8 lots of information. Joshua from the Automotive Clinic, 10 lots of information. Thank you, Joshua. And Jack Mackay from Booragoon Autocare, 6 lots. So again, they're the ones that have done a lot. There were many others doing 1s and 2 lots of share your solution or uploading good scope scan data. So first draw we're going to draw out is for the Bursons again. Have given us the thermal imaging camera from Autel, so we're going to draw that one first up. And the winner of the thermal imaging camera, we have here Matt Fish from Jindabyne Auto Repairs, one of our regular contributors, Matt is. So congratulations, Matt. Thermal imaging camera coming your way. Now we've got 2 lots of the inspection video scopes, digital inspection video scopes, again from Autel, and then thanks to Burson's equipment. So we've got 2 of these to give away. Grab 2 tickets out. First one is Daniel Armour from Toyotech. So congratulations to Daniel. And the second one over here, Jack Purcell from Purcell Automotive. Okay guys, we just realised that Daniel Armour had won already a prize last time and he's asked us to redraw that one. So we're going to redraw again the inspection camera from Autel. See who's the lucky winner this time. There you go, David Malone from Auto Elec shop. David, well, congratulations. Again, we'll get that camera out to you shortly. Thanks to Burson's Auto Parts for those prizes from Autel. And again, thank you so much for all those members that have contributed over the last few months. See you next time. Again, thanks to Burson's and to Autel. See you next time.